Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIPS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National English Version School. Today I would like to take a computer class for class 3. Dear students, our today's topic chapter 9, short question 3, 4 and 5. Our lecture 11 and homework 10. Now look at the board. Our today's topic chapter 9, SQ 3, 4 and 5. Our lecture 11 and homework 10. So dear students, do you know what is the name of this chapter 9? Our chapter 9 is Internet. In our previous class, I gave question 1 and 2. Today, I will be given question number 3, 4 and 5. Now let's start. Question number 3. Why do we need search engine? We need search engine to search over the internet for the information we need. Bing, Google, Yahoo are some common search engines. So dear learners, Bing, Google, Yahoo are some common search engines. We can get any information from the internet using search engine. If any address or website is unknown to us, we usually use a search engine like Google. Google is a search engine. Now move on question number 4. What is called website or site? Our answer will be the information is saved at a unique spot on the computer. This unique spot is called website or site. I repeat these questions again. What is called website or site? Our answer will be the information is saved at a unique spot on the computer. This unique spot is called website or site. Now move on question number 5. Write two benefits of using net. There are lots of benefits using internet. Here are two benefits of using internet. Two benefits of using net are given below. Number 1, we can read books on the internet and we can send email using internet. Okay, using net or internet. Dear students, your homework will be homework number 10. SQ 3, 4, yes, 3, 4 and 5 all are your homework. Question number 3, why do we need search engine? Number 4, what is called website or site? And number 5, write two benefits of using internet. Dear learners, is there any problem arise from this chapter? Then you can call me. My phone number is given here. I hope understood today's topic. Do your homework properly. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.